In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best hedge trimmers. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best hedge trimmers. Number 5. Black+Decker 20V Max. For homeowners who want dependable performance and ease of use, the Black+Decker 20V Max hedge trimmer is a fantastic choice. It comes with both battery and charger, giving you everything you need to get started. The 22-inch dual-action blades cut branches up to 3/4 inch thick and produce 40% less vibration than single-action blades, making trimming much more comfortable and controlled. You can cover up to 3,000 square feet of hedges per charge, and the wraparound front handle gives you better control whether trimming horizontally or vertically. The soft grip handle and full-length trigger add to the ergonomic feel, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. As part of the 20V Max system, it's also compatible with a range of other tools, making it a smart buy if you're building your tool collection. Number 4. Greenworks 24V. Greenworks delivers great value with this 24V cordless hedge trimmer that's ready to go right out of the box. It includes a 4.0 amp-hour battery and charger, offering up to 60 minutes of fade-free runtime. The 22-inch laser-cut dual-action blades give you professional quality results, and the 3/4 inch cutting capacity powers through thick branches with ease. What makes this trimmer stand out is its comfort-focused design. The ergonomic rotating rear handle and cushioned grip reduce fatigue during longer jobs, and the 3-sided wraparound front handle lets you trim from multiple angles without strain. Plus, the USB port on the battery doubles as a portable power bank for your devices. How cool is that? It's a feature-packed trimmer that combines practicality and performance. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer is built for professionals, but perfect for any homeowner who wants the best. Its power-state brushless motor is a beast, cutting through branches up to 1¼ inches thick. That's some serious power for aggressive trimming sessions. And the 24-inch double-sided blade, combined with a rotating handle and clipping sweep attachment, makes it both precise and incredibly efficient. Milwaukee's RedLink Plus intelligence ensures seamless communication between the tool and battery, optimizing performance and protecting it from overload. It's also compatible with over 275 tools on the M18 system, making it a versatile choice for those invested in the platform. If you're looking for premium performance, unmatched durability, and powerful cutting action, Milwaukee delivers every time. Number 2. EcoPower Plus HT2500. The EcoPower Plus HT2500 is a serious contender for the top spot with its long 25-inch dual-action steel blades that slice cleanly and efficiently through overgrown hedges. With 3,200 strokes per minute and a 2-speed range selector, you can trim at your own pace, whether you're touching up or tackling heavy growth. Plus, the electric brake ensures quick stops for better control and safety. It's powered by EGO's 56-volt ARC lithium platform, which means you can expect up to 60 minutes of runtime when paired with the recommended battery. The rotating handle adds ergonomic flexibility, making it super comfortable for vertical or angled cuts. Built for durability and serviceability, this trimmer is clearly designed with the committed gardener in mind, one who values both power and precision. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Hedge Trimmer. If you're already in the Dewalt 20V Max family, this hedge trimmer is an absolute no-brainer. It packs a punch with a high-output motor, capable of cutting branches up to 3/4 inch thick, so it handles tough jobs with ease. The 22-inch laser-cut hooked tooth blade offers precision with every slice, making it ideal for shaping up your hedges with clean, smooth cuts. And weighing in light with a compact design, it won't leave your arms tired after a full session of trimming. This tool is built to deliver professional-level results while being extremely user-friendly. Since it's part of the 20V Max system, you can use any compatible battery you already own. It's sold as a tool-only option, which means it's perfect for folks looking to expand their Dewalt toolkit without paying for extras. If performance, reliability, and comfort are top priorities, this trimmer checks all the boxes. And there you have it. Our top 5 best hedge trimmers that make yard work easier, faster, and way more enjoyable. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.